Sometimes you don't need to say the most empowering, powerful piece of content that changes someone's life. Sometimes it's enough to say, I'm in Venice and I just saw something cool, have a look. Because in the end, we're all about building relationships, right? So people want to know who you are, where you are. I mean, if you guys follow me at all, you probably don't even realize that, but because I get the number one thing I have people tell me when I meet them at events is, I feel like I already know you. That is the best compliment you can give me. That means as a marketer, I'm kicking ass. I'm doing my job really well because we've never met and yet you feel like you know me, but that's because I'm doing videos, I'm showing you my personality. When I travel, I do videos from where I'm traveling, I tell you where I am, I put up Facebook posts, blog posts, I'm connecting with you. You get a chance to hear my voice. A lot of people, the other thing people always tell me is that you're just like I expected. Like, hey, you're the same guy. I'm like, well, yeah, it's me. But that's because when the camera turns on, I don't change. You know, the way I talk, the way I am, my realism is who I am. So it does give you an opportunity. So sometimes it might just be like, check out this cool photo of a flying car that I helped build in one of my other companies. You know, because I'll tell you right now, if you sent me an email and the subject line said, I just built a flying car, like I'd open it. You know, it has nothing to do with your niche. Like I'm completely flabbergasted by this. Like, who just says I sell flying cars? Like, I've freaking never heard that in my life.
You got a client over there.
Seriously, I would buy. But yeah, guys, just remember, these are real people on the other side. You just be real. Make mistakes, own up to them, show them where you're doing. One of the most popular videos I've ever sent out to my list, which still talked about till this day, was I was on a honeymoon with my wife and we were on the gondola ride in Venice. All right, and I sent a video out telling people about a webinar coming up. My poor wife is the one holding the camera up. She's used to this stuff now, wherever we are. She's usually my videographer. And the funny thing is we got so many messages to the support team, like overwhelming amount, that they were laughing from women saying, tell him to stop working and enjoy the stupid gondola ride and not make videos for us, right? But I had so many people at events come up to me later. I had this really funny experience. At Inbox Blueprint Live, someone comes up to me and says, hey, where's your wife? I don't see her anywhere. I wanted to meet her. I'm looking at him like, who the heck are you? How do you know my wife? Like, do I know you? I'm looking at him like, is he like I don't know, sometimes, you know, life passes me by, I don't know. I'm like, I don't know, she's around somewhere, like doing something, like, okay. And he goes, dude, how was Venice? How was the gondola ride? I always wanted to do that. I'm like, how the hell do you know about my gondola ride? And like, I completely forgot. I shot a video and shot it out to 500,000 people in the world, but I forgot. And then the way he's talking to me, it was like literally how my friends would ask me about my day. And I was really stunned by it. And then it happened after and after, over and over. And I realized, yeah, like when you do these things and people like it, they watch it and they're curious what you're doing in your life. So it doesn't always have to be the most breakthrough content.